welcome back to my channel. I'm not in my regular space right now. I'm actually in my living room. This is my couch where I watch a lot of my Netflix shows. This is where I sit. And I thought I would just chat today. I felt I haven't been connecting a lot recently. I really just want to take this time, have some tea, talk about some of my favorite Korean beauty products in this video. My skin has been literally the best it's ever been the last couple of weeks, and I think it has to do with these products. So if you want to see what they are, keep watching. Also, if you like what you see, make sure you subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and make sure you comment below and let me know if you want to see more chat through videos. Let's get started and show you guys what are my favorite Korean beauty products as of right now. So the first product I'm going to show you guys is from Sulwhasoo. I'm so sorry if I'm saying that wrong, but this is a serum I've been using the last couple of weeks every single day, and I freaking love it. It is called the First Care Activating Serum EX, and basically what it does, it helps hydrate. It also helps with anti-aging. I'm starting to get a few lines up here. You guys probably can't see it, or you might be able to see it. I'm getting the number 11s right in between my eyebrows. So I've been really concentrating on anti-aging products, and this one in particular has been working really well for my skin. It smells very herbal, botanical, and I love that about this product. It's also very nice on the skin. In the morning when I cleanse my face, I'll just put a pump of that right on my face before putting anything else on. And I find that with serum, it's always been a really important thing in my skincare routine because I find that it helps everything else I put on after work better. Next up, I am going to be showing you the Sulwhasoo. Maybe I should check and see how that's pronounced because I don't like butchering product names. Sulwhasoo. Not Sulwhasoo. So Sulwhasoo, I don't know why. That's just, after you say something so many times, it just feels weird on your tongue. Anyways, back to the product. This is the Concentrated Ginseng Renewing Cream EX Light. This smells amazing. As you can see, I'm already like basically done this. It smells like ginseng, which is a scent that I really like. I love that botanical herbal scent. This also helps with hydration. It also helps with anti-aging as well, which is another thing why I pair it with the serum, as I feel like these two products working together really help my skin feel amazing. Following that, I wanted to show you guys a mask because Korean skincare is so much about skincare masks and making sure your skin is hydrated. I think that's a really good thing because when it comes to aging and stuff, you don't want your skin to be dry. Mama Chiu always says if your skin is dry, you need to moisturize it because dry skin can cause more wrinkles and more fine lines. So I always try to keep my skin super hydrated, and one of the ways I do that is by using a mask. This one is one of my favorite Korean masks. It's called the Milky Glow Calming Moisture Mask. It's kind of small and it's really pretty. I mean, all of the masks, like whenever I see masks, I just want to buy them all. If you're like that, comment below because I seriously have so many. In this mask, there are a few things. It helps anti-age. It has milk extract, which helps moisturize the skin, especially if you have drier skin. And it has blueberry extract, which helps from any damage that may have been caused by the sun. So those things are really important, I find, especially if you don't wear sunscreen all the time. It's good to use a mask that helps protect your skin as well as hydrate it. Here's a tip for you guys, is if you go out for the evening and you want to have glowing skin, the one thing I do is about an hour before I'm supposed to get ready, I will put on a mask, do my hair, and while the mask is doing its thing, I'll be doing my hair, and then after about 20 minutes, I'll peel it off, soak it all in. And one thing about masks, you guys, you don't want to rinse it off, and a lot of people might think that is what you do, but you don't. You actually leave the essence and the remaining product on your skin so that it can absorb. It feels like a lot of moisture. I totally get that because sometimes it's like, how is this going to absorb into my skin because there's so much liquid? It does. You just gotta really work it in, put it down your neck. You know, if you have some leftover product, use it on your cuticles for dry cuticles, and then let it sit for a bit bed before applying your makeup. I find that using the mask before going out for the evening or going to an event, it makes my skin look phenomenal. So there's a trick. I will be showing you guys one of my favorite essences. Now, Korean skincare is a lot about masks, hydration, and a huge one is also essence. This one is called the Clarifying Essence by Kose. You can apply it in your hands, but I like to put it in a cotton pad. As many of you guys know, in my skincare routines, I'll do 2 pumps and I'll apply it evenly all over the face. And I'll wrap the cotton pad around my middle finger so the pressure is even and the product is evenly distributed all over the skin. And what Essence does, in particular this one, it helps remove dead skin, and it also helps make your other skincare products absorb better. I won't be using a lot of toner during this time of the year because it tends to dry out my skin. Using a essence helps so much in replenishing that moisture, and also it helps the other products that you're using afterwards make it so much better. Last product is something that I have been using a lot, and I'm like shuffling because I'm so excited to talk about this because I am a huge lip picker. That sounds disgusting and you guys are probably like, what does that even mean? I pick my lips to the point where they bleed, and that sounds terrible. And I think it's an anxiety thing. I've done it ever since I was a kid. I remember my parents telling me, Jen, stop picking your lips. It's just one of those things that I don't realize that I'm doing. I feel a hair there. I don't realize that I'm doing, and I just keep on doing it. What I've been doing recently is using the Laneige Special Care Lip Sleeping Mask, and this is for all skin types. So before I go to bed, I'll put a huge thick layer of this on my lips, and I'll kind of let it sit for a bit, and then I'll go to sleep. In the morning, because I don't really move around that much in bed, I still have a bit of that left in the morning, and I just rinse it off or wipe it off in the morning, and my lips feel so much better. So if you are a lip picker like I am, I highly suggest you do something like that, because I find that when I have stuff on my lips, say lipstick, lip chap, lip mask, having something on definitely helps me and prevents me from picking my lips. It's basically helping me replenish the skin and just makes me not want to pick it at night. If you are a lip picker, raise your hand. I feel like I'm in like a support group. Anyways, you guys, those are my 5 favorite Korean skincare products right now. As of this moment, I have been using religiously and I have been loving them. My skin has been feeling super good. That's all for today. Sitting down and just chatting just makes me feel really good, and I haven't done one in a while, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and want to see more, and comment below with other video ideas you guys want to see. I love you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you very soon in my next one. Bye!